Good morning. My name is Owen. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Hoxton Analytics. And with our applied AI technology, we are revolutionizing how retail and real estate companies are optimizing their physical spaces. I'm going to start off with a few statistics. So you may know that the e-commerce market is big. It's about $2 trillion a year. But the bricks and mortar retail market is huge, over 10 times the size, $20 trillion a year. And yet, it may surprise you to find out that whilst over 90% of websites use quantitative analytics to optimize their business, actually fewer than 35% of retailers do similar. And this is in US chain retailers, so it's probably an overestimate generally. So this is a massively underserved market. Of course, other companies have tried to provide data and analytics to these in-stores and these retailers and bricks and mortar retailers. For example, people counters, traditional people counters. So overhead people counters, infrared beams to count how many people come in. However, these tend to be quite expensive, they're often very inaccurate, and they don't provide any additional insight apart from straight people counts. So, companies innovated, and we started deploying facial recognition type analytics to tell us a little bit more about the types of people who walk in the store. However, this doesn't even provide a simple baseline people count and has really serious PR and privacy issues. So at Hoxton Analytics, we've invented an entirely new way of both providing a really accurate pedestrian count and also profiling certain aspects of people, for example, their gender, without any privacy issues. How do we do it? We install a camera low to the ground, and it can point outside, it can point across an entrance. And we detect and count people by the footsteps as they go past the camera. We can count to over 95% accuracy, industry leading. But we can also tell what gender people are to about 80% accuracy by the shoes they wear and the way they walk as they go across. There's about 5 or 6 layers of machine learning and AI happening simultaneously to give us this real-time data. So it's a really straightforward deployment. We install a camera low to the ground to count the footfall going past, and then we have local analytics and processes, and then sending it up to the cloud, which then, using APIs and GUIs, our clients digest. And just to be clear about our business model, so we do all the analytics and do the insights, whereas we partner with amazing global corporations, for example, Cisco, to actually deploy the hardware. So we found a shortcut to really get to scale and get to market. And this data is not just useful for our clients. It's particularly useful for our clients. So for example, we have deployments in shopping centers where we can give our clients the conversion rate, what percentage of males who walk in, go to the cinema, for example, on a Friday night. How is their latest marketing campaign done? What is the ROI on their latest advertisings outside the actual shopping center? And also things like how they're doing this Christmas versus last Christmas. And also we use the data. So this data that we provide to our clients goes straight back into our back end. It's an amazing aspect of our technology that it's constantly improving. So as we're scaling, as we see new deployments, it just gets better and better, more and more accurate. We're building this huge data lake of proprietary data, which we're intending to monetize in the future. And we've had a lot of amazing press because of this. Global press organizations, the BBC, Guardian, have been reporting about our incredible technology, particularly about the privacy aspects of gathering data without getting these privacy issues. And we've had fantastic relationships with clients and partners. We have long-term contracts with FTSE 100 and FTSE 250 companies, and partnerships with some of the largest global tech companies in the world. And this is all thanks to our fantastic team. We've got the commercial expertise and also the technical expertise. Myself, my background's in finance with PwC, but 3/4 of our technical team have got masters or PhDs from Cambridge and Oxford. Fantastic standard and really kind of deep tech going into our back end and our computer vision algorithms. But the vision doesn't just stop at people counting in shopping centers. We see a future where you can buy a device online from Amazon and Corner shops, libraries, churches, schools, and of course retailers can get incredibly accurate information to within a centimeter of where people walk, profiling how people move around the store, what the conversion rates of different types of clients are, all without any privacy issues whatsoever. This is really the holy grail of in-store analytics. So, to summarize, we're revenue generating, we have a fantastic backbone of IP and patents pending, and we have a burgeoning pipeline, hundreds of sales in the pipeline. Please do come and talk to us about that. We're always looking for customers and partners, and today we're also looking for investors. We're raising a £1 million round, so if you share our ambitions of rapid growth and global scale, please do come and talk to us. Thank you.